You're listening to an African Elements top news story for July 5, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Jasmine Taylor, a U.S. Navy veteran, was violently arrested during a routine traffic stop in Woodstock, Georgia on June 29th. She was pulled over for allegedly driving 51 miles per hour in a 25 miles per hour zone while delivering for Instacart. Taylor admitted to speeding but believed it warranted a simple citation. After handing over her information, a female officer ordered her to exit the vehicle without explanation. Confused, Taylor questioned the need to leave her car for a speeding infraction and mentioned she was putting on her shoes. Officer Justin Davis then intervened aggressively, reaching into her car and demanding she get out. This prompted Taylor to have her partner, who was in the back seat, record the interaction. The officers escalated the situation, charging her with reckless driving, a misdemeanor, instead of a minor speeding violation. This change in charges significantly increased the potential consequences for Taylor. As Taylor questioned the officer's actions, Officer Davis declared her under arrest and violently slammed her to the ground, allegedly threatening her in the process. Taylor sustained injuries, including a chipped tooth, and reported difficulty breathing during the arrest. Following the incident, officers allegedly fabricated details in their reports, claiming Taylor was resisting arrest, which she denies. A petition on Change.org called for the removal of officers Davis, Kyle Potts, and Kayla Molly from the Woodstock Police Department, citing their unjust actions. Officer Molly falsely accused Taylor of being agitated and possessing a weapon, while Officer Potts reported that Taylor was fighting the officers. These actions suggest a coordinated effort to misrepresent the events. Excessive force refers to using more force than necessary to effect an arrest, violating an individual's Fourth Amendment rights. Officer Davis's actions, particularly the body slam, clearly constituted excessive force given the context of a minor traffic stop. This incident raises significant concerns about racial bias in policing. The Woodstock Police Department initiated an internal investigation the day after the incident, placing Officer Davis on administrative leave. The investigation found that Davis violated multiple department policies, leading to his termination. This swift action indicates the seriousness of his conduct. Internal investigations typically involve collecting evidence, including body camera footage and witness statements, to determine if policies or laws were violated. Video evidence from Taylor's partner played a crucial role in contradicting the officer's narrative. Taylor spent 2 nights in jail on the misdemeanor charge, but was released without bond, and her charges were dismissed after she informed officers about the recording. After her release, Taylor shared the videos on TikTok, which went viral and drew public attention to the incident. This exposure amplified calls for justice and accountability. Taylor has retained an attorney and plans to sue the Woodstock Police Department for the trauma she experienced. The incident reflects broader concerns about police use of force and accountability in Georgia. Numerous cases of alleged police misconduct, particularly against black individuals, have emerged in the state. For instance, a Paulding County deputy was fired for body slamming a man during an arrest, resulting in hospitalization. Another ex-Camden County deputy faces charges after throwing a woman to the ground. These incidents raise questions about officer training, de-escalation techniques, and the culture within law enforcement agencies regarding interactions with the black community. The rehiring of officers with disciplinary records perpetuates misconduct and erodes public trust, especially among black communities. The repeated incidents underscore the urgent need for comprehensive police reform in Georgia. While individual officers like Davis are held accountable, systemic issues such as inadequate training and lack of oversight remain. The disproportionate impact of police violence on black communities necessitates examining racial bias in policing and implementing policies prioritizing de-escalation and accountability. Taylor's violent arrest highlights the ongoing struggle for justice and accountability in policing. Her courage in sharing video evidence has drawn attention to the actions of the Woodstock Police Department. As she pursues legal action, her case contributes to a broader movement demanding transparency, reform, and an end to excessive force. Copyright African Elements.